a pistol. The third person, the fourth person, is Alhaji Kopshi, the NPP constituency organizer, who we have a 7-minute video threatening an NDC comrade that they were going to kill him like they killed Alhaji Issa Mobla in 2016. Yes. We have a video we can tender in as evidence to show that these people were hell-bent to shed blood in the constituency just to hold on to power. Number two, there's a video evidence where the MP on his last rally day promised that they were going to fire gunshots. And really, he practicalized that in Nyankpala. This innocent soul they took, he was performing ablution to go to the mosque and pray. He was not shot at a polling station. He was not shot at a rally. He was shot under a pavilion where he was performing ablution to go and pray. We are sending a word of caution. If the police fail, we know they will do a diligent work. If they fail to arrest these perpetrators, we will do the work ourselves. That's it. We want to send a warning. It can happen under the leadership of any other parliamentary candidate, but not under Dr. Osman Tahiru Damba and his able executive. Yeah. When people die for you, you stand in for them. The one who was killed lost the wife painfully 3 months ago. And just because one man wants to remain in parliament, shot and killed him for only reasons known to him and his God. Finally, we want to state, until something is done about this, Alhaji Habibu will not step his foot to parliament or cross Nyankpala and go anywhere in this constituency. My last statement, we are not cowards. We were only quiet because they were using government machinery to punish us. Today we wield the authority of power and we will use the power to do the right things in the system. That's all. They hired monsters to come into this constituency.